What's up guys, I'm here back again, and today we're gonna unbox this Google Chromecast. I like this device because you can just play whatever on your TV from your phone by just casting it. So I bought this for 3,500 for 3,500 rupees from Flipkart, and you can cast YouTube, Google Play, Hotstar, whatever, many apps and on your TV from your phone. So let's just quickly unbox this. So here do we get the Google Chromecast. So here's the Google Chromecast. This is the HDMI. You connect this to the HDMI port of your TV. What else do we get in the box? It's a power adapter, so you can just plug it in. And we get a cable inside it. And there's some paperwork, more paperwork. So guys, this is the Google Chromecast. You just plug this into your TV and you're ready to go. Connect it, synchronize it with your Wi-Fi, and that's it guys. So I'm not going to show you the setup because it's very easy. That's it guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.